Welcome. I'm Trevor Miller, Certified Therapeutic Recreation Specialist at the Portland VA Healthcare System in Vancouver, Washington. I've been given the opportunity to share a few tips that you might find helpful for this year's VA 2K. First, be sure to drink plenty of water. Most adults are chronically dehydrated, and it's especially important before exercise, so 2 to 3 liters per day is recommended. A recent study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research backs the benefits of a running warm-up. Researchers found that when runners performed a dynamic stretching routine before a workout, they were better able to sustain a hard effort and for longer periods compared to those who didn't. Next are a few stretches and warm-ups to help ensure that you have a great walk, run, or roll. While performing each stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds, perform a forward stretch and pull, trunk rotation, left and right, shoulder stretch above the head, and cross-body shoulder stretch left and right. Then you should be ready to roll. For runners and walkers, it's recommended that jumping jacks are performed, forward lunges, both left and right, and leg swings, left and right. And again, trunk rotations and dynamic hip mobility. And lastly, ankle rocks or calf raises. You should feel pretty warmed up and good to go. And above all, have fun. Be safe out there, and we look forward to seeing all your steps.